the Lucky 7 Gambling Winnings and Losses Tax Tips. You may know when to hold 'em, when to fold 'em, but do you know how and when to report 'em? Whether you are playing cards or the slots, it is important to know the rules about reporting gambling winnings and losses. Here are 7 things the IRS wants you to know about reporting what Lady Luck has sent your way. All gambling winnings are fully taxable. Gambling income includes, but is not limited to, winnings from lotteries, raffles, horse races, poker tournaments, and casinos. It includes cash winnings and also the fair market value of prizes such as cars and trips. A payer is required to issue you a Form W-2G if you receive certain gambling winnings or if you have any gambling winnings subject to federal income tax withholding. Even if a W-2G is not issued, all gambling winnings must be reported as taxable income. Therefore, you may be required to pay an estimated tax on the gambling winnings. For more information on paying estimated taxes, refer to IRS Publication 505, Tax Withholding and Estimated Tax. You must report your gambling winnings on Form 1040, line 21. If you itemize your deductions on Form 1040 Schedule A, you can deduct gambling losses you had during the year, but only up to the amount of your winnings.